Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, TD, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I'm going to be deep conditioning with you guys with this new Dark and Lovely hydrating aloe vera hair treatment. This is a 3-in-1. You can use it as a conditioner, as a treatment, or as a leave-in, and I'm choosing to use it as a treatment today because I feel like my hair needs a bit of hydration. My hair always needs hydration, like, you know what I mean? So I'm actually gonna get into what I love about this product in just a jiffy. So I know some of you guys did join my live on Friday. Once again, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I am still trying to figure out as to if I should have a ticketing system or if I should continue to let you guys buy the calendar and use that as a ticket, or, you know, price the masterclass at $150. So I don't know. I'm still like sitting on the fence about it. I'm still trying to figure out a lot and a ton of things, to tell you guys the truth. But join me on my live. I should maybe have a live sometime this week on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, get your life together. I know there's a lot of things in your life falling apart, but don't let this be one of those, okay? Make sure that you're following your girl on Instagram. I'm planning a lot of lives, and I think if you have joined my live, then you know, because we did discuss all of these things. So please make sure that you are following me on Instagram. You don't want to miss out. Also, your girl's trying out TikTok, so follow me on TikTok. I can't believe I'm becoming this girl, but you know what, let us start this video. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. Let's get into this product. Ooh, oh yeah, it smells nice. So it's white. All deep conditioners that you buy from the stores will most likely be very white. The consistency, very nice. I think the consistency it's not a thick consistency, and the funny thing is, because I'm so used to using Art to the Motherland's products, I am used to like thick products, so going back to normal deep conditioner feels a bit weird. So now the one thing I love about this product, so they have 3 flavors if I remember well. So they have the aloe, banana and mango, or is it mango and papaya or something like that. So I decided to go with the aloe vera because obviously I love aloe vera. One thing I love about this brand and why I actually picked it up, it claims to be 98% natural ingredients, okay? Then if you look at the ingredient list, y'all, I'm gonna take a picture of this and show you and put it up here so I can show you guys how prepared they were, okay? If you actually also notice, is that the first top part of the ingredient list is just natural ingredients. So I was really happy. So I think that's why they actually claim for it to be 98% in natural ingredients. And then they tell you here also on the side, the labeling on this I freaking love, especially because I just told you guys how to read an ingredient list. This, you don't have to stress, okay? You're not gonna see weird words here, you're really not. But it also tells you here that it's vegan, yes. It is a biodegradable formula, yes. It's 80% biodegradable. Is it dermatologically tested? Yes. Does it have vegetable oils? I don't know what that is, but I think it's just normal like oils. And then they also have it in a different language, and then it also tells you that it says no silicones for natural hair. So I really like what they did with the labeling of it and how they communicated clearly. Not just that, they also tell you here that this is a transparent formula, meaning that they didn't put any ingredients here without listing them. So they didn't put any bad stuff or good stuff and then they forgot to list them, because you guys know there's some brands out here, they be saying they've got stuff in there, and especially in front, and then when you go through the ingredient list you don't even find those ingredients there. So they're telling you that this is a 98% natural origin formula, and the other 2% is dermatologically tested and approved by our safety department, guarantee formula, and yada yada ching ching. Okay, so I really like this formula. Not just that, but I love how they made sure that, you know, they're not hurting the environment. They're making sure, they're telling you that it's not tested on animals and all that kind of good stuff. So let us actually get into this deep conditioner. Okay, I'm gonna use this as a treatment. They say you can leave it on for about 10 minutes. I'm not gonna leave it for 10 minutes. You guys know I'm not gonna play the game. I'm gonna leave it on for about 30 minutes, go run some errands because I do need to leave the house, guys. It's been a crazy week. Also, my hair is fresh. Okay, this is fresh hair. Ooh, yes. If you guys watched my previous video, I did clarify my hair, so I'm just gonna slap the product on. My hair is still, it's not necessarily like extremely dry. What? Oh my freaking soul, you guys, you saw that my hair was not like extremely wet or any, it was not like dripping, but the amount of water they put in this is insane. Okay, it's freaking insane. It could be that, or it could be the fact that my hair is actually clarified, but I'm gonna give it up to the conditioner and not steal its shine. So I'm literally going to just apply the product like I always do, and I'm gonna come back once my hair is saturated in this deep conditioner, wear my hooded dryer. It's a light deep conditioner, so I think it's gonna work very well with my hair. So I will be back in a jiffy, and we will, oh yes, you guys, yes, she looking cutie. Okay, yes. Okay, let me put this conditioner all over my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. Okay, good morning everyone. So it's the following day, and to tell you guys the truth, I was not supposed to sleep with this deep conditioner on. My life has just been like, this week has been set out in such a way whereby I'm literally trying to find time in between life to record, whereas I used to record and then find life in between the recording. I don't know if that makes sense. Now it's like it's just like a switch, and I just want to let you guys know, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna be hosting my first live very soon, and you do not want to miss that out. Obviously, I'm gonna do my promotions here on YouTube, also my community tab, and let you guys know when the first live is gonna be, in case I'm not gonna be able to record that, or rather like incorporate that in a video, just to give you guys a notification. And yeah, how much of the product I use? I didn't use that much of the product, but one thing I'm doing different is, you guys remember last year I used to wash my hair in twist, you know, moisturize in twist, deep condition in twist. So what I do now is I undo my twists and then apply conditioner, detangle even further, and then I retwist with the deep conditioner on and deep condition with my twists. So my hair is in twists right now. So I used about half of this. Okay, here's what I can tell you about this product is that it has amazing slip. It has a ton of slip. Not just that, but it's really lightweight in a way that is not too lightweight for low porosity hair, but also just enough weight for people with high porosity hair. So if you have high porosity, you're going to love this product. If you have low porosity, you're going to love this product. I don't know how they did it, but they were able to do it, and I love it. So I hope you guys actually get your hands on this. By the way, I forgot to mention the most important thing about this product is that it is only 98 rand, and I got it at Clicks. What I can do is try the other flavor, because they did have like a banana mango and, oh, why am I forgetting the other one? I can't remember the other flavor, but it's either banana and then the other one is mango. So I took Aloe, and I love this. I think I'm gonna finish this deep conditioner. I'm actually excited to repurchase this because I really think it's a big tub. This is a 390ml. It's a big tub, and it's, you know, you're gonna love it. I promise you're gonna love it. You guys, this shower cap, look at that. This shower cap is, send me money. My hair is so soft, like it's incredibly soft and nice and warm. So I didn't use heat for this treatment because I left it on for more than I should have. So I think it did soak it, my hair soaked it up nicely, And this is just how my hair is looking, just to show you guys. I really love how my hair turned out with this conditioner on. I'm just going to rinse it out, and I do not think that my hair will behave any different after I rinse it out. As a matter of fact, I think my hair is going to be super hydrated. So I went to go rinse off my hair, and here's one thing I can tell you, it's that you guys need to be careful, and I think maybe some people don't really discuss this a lot, but please be careful at like the temperature you use to rinse your hair. Don't be washing your hair or rinsing out your hair with like freaking the same, because I know a lot of girls, we like to shower with hot water. Ladies, the same temperature you use on your body when you're washing your hair, I do not suggest that kind of temperature on your scalp. Please tone it out, like way down, okay? Use like water that's like above lukewarm, but before it gets like warmish warm. You know, I hope that makes sense, because I don't know like temperature things and degrees and all that kind of stuff, but please do not be washing and burning your scalp. Also, I also realized that I take, especially my last rinse, I rinse for a really long time because I want to make sure that my hair is completely product free, because what you don't want to do is start moisturizing your hair and there's like a section of your hair that still has deep conditioner on, girl. You don't want to do that. You know, first rinse, listen, feel where there's still product, then rinse again and make sure that it's really thorough. You do not want to start your moisturizing routine with deep conditioner chilling somewhere in your hair. So my hair, oh, you guys, listen. When I say to you guys that my hair is so moisturized, and I don't want to lie to you guys, look at the shine. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye.